It's really, it's Victoria Golf Club in Canada again, and it's your local commentator, Clifton Briggs. So we've got the pin down the front, and of course you take your cart and you park it 50 or 60 metres away from where your ball is, and you grab a couple of clubs and you walk over to play your shot, because that's what you do, isn't it? God, if you did that every shot, it'd take you all day to play. It'd take you 10 hours. Literally, they've parked 50 or 60 metres away, now they're walking back to play their ball. What's this guy with the bag? Look, he's chipped on the green, obviously, right? So he's about 10, 15 metres from his ball. Why doesn't he take his putter out and putt? But he's not going to, is he? There's a group waiting behind. This guy is walking 50 or 60 metres to get his putter out of his bag. Never seen anything like these people. There we go. Look at him. I mean, maybe he chipped in and he's going to go and get his driver and walk up to the tee and wait for his mates, but I doubt it. Look, he's still fucking around. And there's people waiting to hit. What are the other three doing? Pulling on their pud too? So that guy with the bag chipped on, that's where his ball is. And instead of taking his putter out and playing, he's walked all the way fucking over there and got his putter out and his driver, and now he's going to walk up the green and still be in the way of these people behind. And they're going to damage the green. This green is under stress. This green is mostly in shadow most of the time. They use temporary greens here all the time because this green's fucked up by the sun, getting no sun. And these cunts are going to walk up it. It's still being in the way. If you're on the green, you're in the way. You watch. They're screwing around like old women. Sorry, old women, that's a bit of an insult. But women, I watched the group before, a group of old women, they were worse. They do it all together, like little schools of fish following each other around. My God, how long are they taking to putt? I could have putted and had a wank by now. If you don't know what a wank is, it's when you jerk off, like these cocks are doing. Oh look, he's walking all the way back over to his his cart, sorry. Yeah, you can't park the cart in front of the green, get out and play your shot. No, you gotta walk, gotta go. Oh, look at him walking up the side of the green, this dickhead. And what are these two doing? That group behind is still waiting. Oh, now you gotta pick up your fucking driver off the green and walk up the fucking green. You're still in the way. And you're walking up the side of the green. The most susceptible place to damage is the side of the green. In Australia, we ask players not to walk up the side of the green, but to walk across the green with your bags. Oh, God, we've worked it out. These cunts can't even work out how to play. I've never seen anything like that. That's fucking amazing. Alright, so what are these sheeple doing? This is, I don't know, third group past. I didn't record the others. They weren't interesting. At least there's not a group behind this. A lot. There we go, a couple of blackbirds. be a mating pair. So, yeah, that'd be a pair. So busy walking around. Maybe they just like walking around on this hole because it's so pretty. I don't get it. Actually, it might be a family of birds. Looks like there's a young one around too. At the risk of repeating myself, guys, all you got to do is chip on, walk to the front, take your putter out, putt, walk back to your bag, put your putter in, walk across to the path, take your driver out, walk up to the hole. It's really fast, it's really easy, it's really simple. My goodness, nearly got the putt. Don't put it in the hole, but make sure you walk on another person's line. They like doing that in Canada. No, he didn't walk on that guy's line. Amazing. But his ball's still next to the hole. What the hell are they doing? Jesus Christ, it's putting, guys. It's not that hard. I can't see the clock up in the corner. It's too small for my old eyes. I've got no idea how long these people take. It just doesn't feel right. It feels way too long. Oh, look, there's a boat. Cool. My goodness, they're not going to walk off the green, are they, and get out the way? No, didn't think so. Only the moron that parked his fucking cart all the way over there instead of parking it at the front of the green. The other three, well, one of them's walked off. But there's always at least one that can't help themselves and they walk up the side of the green, damaging it. Well, at least that person's walking near the bunker, not on the green. This moron. They're literally still in the way if there was a group behind. Hey, little blackbird, you got more brains than they have, I can tell you. Oh, and that's live too, by the way. I had no idea what was going to happen. But Canadian sheeple out eating grass on the golf course. Yeah, that's what they do. Back again. Must be some good worms there. These blackbirds are having a great time. I've been stretching my back. So one moron's parked his bag over there. Because that's what you do, you park your bag 50, 60 metres away and you go and play your shot. That's what you do, isn't it? Oh, look, Charlie here with the electric bag. Because, that's difficult to get around by itself. Suppose at least he's not walking 50 metres over there, But now he's going to walk up the green though, isn't he? This isn't live, but I haven't seen it because I've been stretching, so I've just unpaused it. Look, we got another one. They're like ducks in a shooting gallery. You just want to line them up and hit a golf ball at them. That's why golf is so popular. It's like shooting. You're aiming a projectile and then you're launching it at a target. Same as shooting. This is a lot harder, but shooting's easy. Especially quick draw. I'm wicked with a revolver. You ain't seen nothing. Fast and accurate. Why can't you do that with your bag next to you, mate? Why's it got to be all the way fucking way? You got to bend down and pick up your driver now. Every time you put your driver down on the ground, you're risking getting it broken. Seriously, drivers are fragile things. I've seen enough of them broken to know. Jesus, I've built golf clubs, I've fitted people for golf clubs. I custom build clubs in a way that nobody else does, well, very few people. Oh, that guy's fucking, he's off the front of the green, for fuck's sake. Oh my God. Nothing like putting off the front of the green, eh? Is it going to come back and go off the green again? There's a false front there, but seriously. Should have parked your bag there, mate. Could have hit a wedge. Don't miss the hole and go back off the front. No, still didn't put it in. Oh my goodness, in the hole. Go on, walk over, pick up your fucking driver, that's the way. And you too. Go fuck me, gormless cunts. Gormless, good word, eh? YouTube algorithm doesn't pick that up. Got accused the other day of not knowing what it means. You gormless idiot, of course I know what it means. Otherwise I wouldn't use it. Trump tards. Gormless idiots. People that want to follow a criminal because of reasons. Because he's a businessman that turned billions of dollars his daddy gave him into millions. Such a good businessman. Go on, chase the birds away, you stupid bitch. Those birds are nasty, aren't they? There's the other one over there. Go and chase that one away too. You might get a bit fitter. You're not going to get more intelligent. Too old for that. Next group. Play on the green. Play onto the green. So all you need is your putter. You don't need your driver, huh? But you're going to do it anyway, aren't you? Let's meander 50, 60 metres away, get our putter out of the bag and walk back. Dear, oh dear. Look, here goes the next one. Beep, 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 must follow my leader. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, no, they're not robots. They're sheeple. Well, I'm going to park it right there, are you? Aren't you neat and tidy? I can see one driver laying down in front of the green already. Missed the bunker player. And we've got a group behind now waiting. A good shot. That's coming back off the green. Yeah. Good shot. You should have left your driver there, mate. Rolled it. Oh, here we go, the bunker player. What are they going to do? Going to stop and wait and then walk 50 or 60 metres and get your putter and your driver and walk all the way back? Or are you going to actually do the right thing? Oh my. Oh no. I don't believe it. Somebody that actually knows what they're doing. Well, that one didn't go back off the green then. Well done. Wait a minute, this person might not be on the green yet. What are they going to do? Are they going to walk their bag all the way over there and come back with their putter? I can't wait, the tension's enormous. Come on, what are you going to do? What's going on? Have they finished? Oh no, they had to get their driver and their putter out, didn't they? Oh my fucking God. I was right. There you go, leave your driver there with the other ones? Nah. Yeah? Oh, wow. Just wow. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, the group behind is still waiting. That person there's just putted off the front of the green. And now they're coming back on again. Get then down, pick up your driver, walk to the ball. That's the way. You've got to have your driver with you. He must be your type, is he? Oh no, man. Oh wow, did they put that in the hole? Maybe. Go and step on somebody's driver. That's what I'd like to see happen. And meanwhile, halfway up the fairway, the ranchers were still waiting. We're waiting. And they're still waiting because they're still in the way. And they're walking up the side of the green, damaging the fuck out of it. Still in the way. Still in the way. Still in the way. Maybe getting out of the way now. Unbelievable. Fuck, I'm glad I'm not Canadian. See you next time.